Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, in this video, we are going to solve few examples based on the formula of x plus a into x plus b. Okay, so let's recall the formula before solving the questions. What is the formula? X plus a into x plus b. And what is the answer? Answer is x square plus into the bracket a plus b into x, right? Plus a multiplied by b. And where we can use this formula? Whenever there is multiplication of two brackets, first thing. Second thing, first term in both of the brackets is same, then only we can use the formula. Okay friends, so let's go with one example. Example is 2a plus 3b. 2a plus 3b into 2a minus 3b. Friends, can we use this formula in this example? Here multiplication of two brackets are there, so first condition is fulfilled. First term in both of the brackets plus 2a is same, so second condition also fulfilled, means we can use the formula. Then first write the formula with if statement. So if x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus into the bracket a plus b into x plus ab, right? Then given equation, therefore given equation 2a plus 3b into 2a minus 3b is equals to, see, after such arrangement we can easily come to the conclusion that in the formula x will be replaced by 2a, right, and a will be replaced by plus 3b and b will be replaced by minus 3b. Okay, so let's replace. X square means 2a square. 2a is the term, it's not single variable, so we will enclose it within bracket 2a square. Okay, then second plus is plus in the formula. Okay, into the bracket a plus 2b. A will be replaced by plus 3b. Plus is the symbol given in the formula. B will be replaced by minus 3b. So minus number always we write in bracket, hence we are writing in bracket. Okay, 3a plus minus 3b. Done up to this. Next, into x will be replaced by 2a. What is the meaning of this? Meaning of this is 2a multiplied by number in the bracket. Done. Plus, this plus is nothing but plus in the formula. A into b means a multiplied by b. What is a? A is 3b plus 3b and b is minus 3b. So plus 3b multiplied by minus 3b. Friends, I hope you know that whenever we have to add, subtract, multiply, divide negative number, we are always writing it in brackets. Hence, wherever minus 3b is there, we have written it in bracket. So let's go with the final answer. According to Baudom's left to right, 2a bracket square. So we have to square 2. Square of 2 is 4. We have to square a also. Square of a is a square. So 2a square is equal to 4a square. Okay. Plus into the bracket 3b plus minus 3b. According to Baudom's, we have to solve the bracket inside the bracket first. So this first 3b will be as it is. Plus minus minus, so it will minus 3b. Whenever symbol out of the bracket is plus, we don't change the symbol of the number inside the bracket. So this minus 3b will be as it is. Done. Multiplied by 2a plus 3b into minus 3b. 3b into minus 3b will be minus 9b square. Answer is negative, so I have written it in bracket. Okay. Now once again, is there all brackets removed? No. So if all brackets are removed and every term is unlike term, then only we can say it is our final answer. So let's go left to right. 4a square will be as it is. According to BODMAS, we will solve bracket first. 3b minus 3b, 0. 0 into 2a. 0 multiplied by any number, answer is 0. So here you can write or don't write. Writing 0 doesn't matter. Plus minus 0. So that 0 either will be plus or minus. Doesn't matter. Plus minus minus. Plus minus minus. We have to remove the brackets. Whenever removing bracket, symbol out of the bracket is plus. So don't change the symbol of the number inside the bracket. So write it as minus 9b square, which is equals to 4a square minus 9b square. Suppose the question is x minus 3 into x minus 7. X minus 3 into x minus 7. Okay. Once again, can we use the formula? First term in both of the bracket is same, so we can use. So let's write the formula first. Formula with if statement. If x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus into the bracket a plus b x plus a multiplied by b. Okay. Then x minus 3 into x minus 7 will be equals to, observe the question carefully, x will be replaced by x. Okay, first thing, a will be replaced by which number? Minus 3. A will be replaced by negative 3 and b will be replaced by negative 7. I am going to mark only a and b. X is going to replace with x. Okay. So a will be replaced by negative 3. Please keep in mind. Now x square. Okay. This plus, what is this plus? Part of this formula. Write this plus as it is. Okay. Now into the bracket. A will be replaced by minus 3. Whenever negative number is there, we have to enclose it within the bracket. So I will write it as minus 3. Okay. This plus is nothing but part of the formula. Now b will be replaced by minus 7. Okay, up to this bracket completed. This bracket is completed. Now you may say lot of cascading of brackets. So in such situation, normally we are using square brackets, but sometimes students don't know in advance that how many brackets we have to use, right? Hence, if you will nested loop of brackets, then also it is okay. X will be replaced by x. So here I have written this second statement. Second statement is a plus b into x. A will be replaced by, a is replaced by minus 3, plus b is the plus symbol is part of formula written as it is. B is replaced by minus 7, x is replaced by x, and bracket is closed. Again this plus I will write it as it is as a part of formula. Now a is replaced by minus 3, so I will write it in bracket. Minus 3 multiplied by b is replaced by minus 7. Okay. Now let's solve all the equations from left to right using BODMAS. X square as it is. Lot of brackets are there. So first we have to remove the brackets. First this plus will be as it is. Now inside the bracket. Minus 3. Right? Symbol out of the bracket is minus plus. No symbol means plus symbol. So I will write it minus 3. Minus plus. Minus symbol out of the bracket is plus. So don't change the symbol of the number. So it will be minus 7. right? Minus 3 minus 7 into x. Clear? Did you observe how automatically, or I will keep the square brackets as it is to avoid the confusion. Okay, see how brackets are removed. Symbol out of the bracket, no bracket means plus, so this minus is as it is. Symbol out of the bracket is plus, so this minus 7 is as it is. Plus minus 3 into minus 7. Minus minus plus, so 3 sevens are 21. Plus 21, answer is plus 21. Okay, so plus, if you write then also okay, if you don't write then also it's okay. Okay, up to this. So x square, this plus is part of formula, into the bracket minus 3 minus 7. There is not any symbol of multiplication division, so we have to do addition directly. Same symbols, hence we are doing addition. 7 plus 3 minus 10, okay, into x. Minus 10 into x means 10 multiplied by x, plus 21. Once again, are all brackets removed? No. So first x square as it is, plus minus 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 10x plus 21. All brackets are removed, all terms are unlike, so this is our final answer. Final answer is x square minus 10x plus 21. Okay friends, to solve all such kind of examples, you should have command over integers. Integers addition, subtraction rule, integers multiplication division rules, and integers bracket solving rules. On that, these topics we have learned last year also. On that I have made one video. So link of the video is given in the description. Wherever you are having doubt, please go through that video first. That video is the base of such kind of examples. So please refer that video.